Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. For today's video, I'll show you how to create this smudged kohl eye look, but I've taken it up a notch by adding a hint of champagne eyeshadow. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. That's it for the video, guys. I absolutely love how this look is basic yet edgy at the same time. Do try this out and let me know your views about it in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, you can now avail ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is down in the description box. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.